Hello kids, good morning. So today's lesson is verb and kinds of verb. So in today's video, I'm going to cover up these topics: definition of verb, examples of verb, definition of transitive and intransitive verbs with examples, exercise on transitive and intransitive verb. So watch the video till end and do the exercise on transitive and intransitive verb. So without getting late, let's start. What is a verb? Verbs are saying words. They tell us something about a subject. A verb denoted doing, being, or possessing. The girl eats her meal. A cat killed a rat. Now here, students, which one is the verb? Yes, in the first sentence, eats. It is a verb. It is an action, or you can say doing words. Okay? And in the second sentence, killed is a verb. You can say action word or doing word also. Now, Monica is a sweet girl. Monica is a sweet girl. These are oranges. Now, in these two sentences, which are verbs? Yes, students, is, am, are, was, were. All these are called being verb. Okay? All these are called being verb. So, what we have learned, that action words or being verb are called verbs. Ruchi likes. But what does Ruchi like? We are not getting any answer of it, right? So, what does Ruchi like? Yes, Ruchi likes ice cream. So here we say ice cream is the object of the verb likes. If you arise question with what, the answer that you are getting is the object of the verb. So here, what does Ruchi like? Ruchi likes ice cream. So here, ice cream is the object of the verb likes. Here, likes is the verb. Children play. But what do the children play? Children play football. So here we are getting the answer football. So we say football is the object of which verb? Play. Yes, play is the verb. So what do children play? The answer will be football. So here football is the object of the verb play. A boy flies. What does a boy fly? A boy flies a kite. So here kite is the answer of the question what. So we say kite is the object of the verb flies. Here flies is the verb. And which one is object? Kite. Kite is the object of the verb flies. I love. Whom do I love? I love baby. So we say baby is the object of the verb love. Whom do I love? Baby. So here baby is the object of the verb love. What is transitive verb? Transitive verb is a kind of verb that requires an object to complete its sense. Note that only doing verbs or verbs showing possession need objects. I have already explained you about object, subject and verb in the examples. So here in the first example, a boy flies. A boy flies what? What does a boy fly? Obviously, kite. So here, kite is the object of the verb flies. Next is I love baby. What? Whom do I love? Yes, baby. Whom do I love? Baby. So here, baby is the object, okay, of the verb love. So from these examples we have understood that if we are getting the question, if you are getting the answer of the question what or whom, then that words are objects of the verb in the sentence. And if we are getting an object in the sentence, then that verb is transitive verb. So here transitive verb is a kind of verb that requires an object to complete its sense. Otherwise, the sentence will be meaningless. The child weeps. What? No answer. Whom? No answer. So we are not getting answer of the question what or whom in this sentence, right? The child weeps. So here which one is verb? Yes, weeps is the verb. Now what kind of verb? Transitive or intransitive? Since there is no object in the sentence, then that verb is an intransitive verb. Okay? If we are not getting an object in the sentence, then that verb is an intransitive verb. The boys laugh. Now we are not getting answer of the question what or whom. The boys laugh. Hence there is no object. If we are not getting answer of the questions what or whom, then there is no object. So which one is verb here? Laugh. So with what kind of verb laugh is? Yes, it is an intransitive verb. What is intransitive verb? I hope you all have understood by these examples that intransitive verb is a kind of verb that does not require an object to make sense, but makes good sense by itself. Now kids, note that some verbs can be used as transitive and intransitive verbs both. Like for example, I fly a kite. I fly a kite. So here, fly is transitive verb. Why? Because if we arise a question with what, then we are getting the answer. Like, what do I fly. So here I am getting the answer. A kite. So here a kite is the object of the verb fly. So fly is transitive verb. But if I say the birds fly, then we are not getting any answer if we arise a question with what or whom. So there is no object. So fly is an intransitive verb. So a verb can be used as transitive and intransitive verbs both. Okay. Now in the second picture, she eats bread. What does she eat? We are getting answer of the question what? What does she eat? Yes, the answer is what? Bread. So here bread is the object of the verb eats in the sentence. So here eats is the transitive verb. In the second sentence, we eat to live. We eat to live. We are not getting any answer of the question what or whom. So here eat is intransitive verb. Since there is no object of the verb eat, so it is intransitive verb. Now here is the exercise on transitive and intransitive verb. Read the sentences. You can pause the video, note down all the questions in your copy and do by your own. After completing, you can start the video and cross-check your answers. Now here is the exercise on transitive and intransitive verb. Read the sentences. You can pause the video, note down all the questions in your copy and do by your own. After completing, you can start the video and cross-check your answers.